I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and confirming compatibility. Power off the router and the device to avoid hot plug issues, then verify the router's LAN port speed, 10/100/1000 Mbps, and select Cat5e or Cat6 cable for gigabit. Identify the device's Ethernet jack, and if needed, a managed or unmanaged switch. You'll place that between router and device. Once done, route the cable with minimal bends, then power on the router, but keep the device off until the physical link is established. You now make the connection and configure networking. Plug one end into a router LAN port and the other into the device or switch, and confirm link LED's light, green or blinking indicates a live link. Next, decide DHCP versus static. DHCP is easiest. Static needs an IP in the router's subnet, gateway set to router IP, and DNS servers defined. Once configured, enable the Ethernet adapter on the device and run a ping to the router to verify reachability and speed. You finish by verifying performance and having a quick troubleshooting plan. Run a speed test and open adapter properties to confirm negotiated link speed, 100 or 1000 Mbps, so you know throughput expectations. If you see no connectivity, use ARP and traceroute to find where packets stop, then swap the cable or try a different router port to isolate hardware faults. If problems persist, replace the cable with a known good Cat6 and test a different device. This rules out NIC or cable failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.